So inspired by the Arizona team and Bougie, I can never compete against you, but basically I thought recently I tried this very easy chocolate lava mug cake, which was shared by Rachel Goenka on Instagram. So I'm also very conscious of my diet, so I said this was quite easy, so I'm going to share with all of you. So the ingredients are as follows. I've taken 1/4 cup of normal flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of water, and a generous amount of chocolate. So the process is quite simple. We are going to start off with, first, we will add in a normal mug, it has to be microwave safe, add in 1/4 cup of the flour. I've already done the measurements earlier, so alright, we have the flour. Next we're going to add in the 1/4 cup of sugar, brown sugar please. Next is the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And half a teaspoon of baking powder. So what I'm going to do is first mix the dry ingredients very well so that there's no white parts of the flour. We just mix them quite well. This one this is quite a generous size, enough for 1 or 2 people. Alright, so now we have the dry ingredients ready. I will crack 1 egg at room temperature into this. And just like how we make our normal anda at home, we're going to just mix it around. The next thing that we're going to add is the 3 tablespoons of milk into the batter. Okay, just mix all the ingredients really well. Next go the 3 tablespoons of melted butter. You can see that the batter is just looking delicious, but try not to eat it at this stage. I know I used to love eating my batter when Mama used to be making her cakes. And the last thing that we will add in is the 1 tablespoon of water. Alright. So all the ingredients are already in. Just whisk this properly, whisk it really well, just for a couple of minutes, couple of seconds. Once this is done, the reason I love this recipe because it can be done in the microwave for as fast as 1 minute. If you have a good microwave, 1 minute. Otherwise, just see between 1 minute to 1 minute 20 seconds. You should have your chocolate molten lava mug cake ready. And then you take your chocolate chips. It could be any kind of chocolate that you have at home, and you're going to put it in the center. So Risha and Anna are going to help me put all the chocolate chips in the center. All the chocolate chips are inside this cup, and now what we're going to do is just put it inside our microwave for 1 minute. In our microwave, we had to do it, leave it in for 1 minute 20 seconds. Now our beautiful mug chocolate molten lava mug cake is ready. So you have your ice cream. Basically in the center we need to put the chocolate chips. When you push it in, it'll start oozing out. Oh yes, it's ready. So yep, add in your ice cream and voila, you have this beautiful